Okay, so moving ahead next, we have a couple of awards that we would like to give to our alliances, to our partners, and apart from that, to also the people who are working at GSB and working really hard for making everything possible that you're seeing today. So let's move ahead. First of all, the first category of award is Best Financial Planner 2019-2020. And in order to give this award, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Gaurav Sarkar. Let's give him a huge round of applause. And the award for the Best Financial Planner 2019-2020 goes to C.A. Harsh Javanpuria. Let's give him a huge round of applause, everyone. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
So good evening, guys. First, congratulations, Gaurav sir, for such a beautiful evening we have got here. And I am a third generation businessman, by the way. So a Marwadi family, we all know we are businessmen. Money runs in our blood. So I will keep it really short. Can we move to the second? Yeah. So a little bit intro about our organization. We started in 2016, and from there we have expanded to different cities. We started from Jamshedpur, my hometown. Now we are in Calcutta, Jamshedpur, Cuttack, Ranchi, Siliguri. Secondly, we never believe finance has evolved as a concept like a one size fits all. कि एक के लिए जो solution है वो सबके लिए होगा. But we sincerely believe that this is not the proper solution. We believe sitting with the clients, drawing out maps, flowcharts, and getting to the core of the problems that the company is facing, and then getting to the solution of it. Lastly, we have a vast team of people working on different fields like audit, taxation, planning, etc., etc. And those things, those value-added service add a niche to what our clients are doing. Coming to the next thing, the startups and the MSMEs. So we categorized, there are 6 problems that is mainly faced by startups of today. First, raising the capital. We had n number of discussions about that. I'm not going into that. Accounting and bookkeeping. Now, accounting and bookkeeping, it sounds very simple. But for a tech guy, this is like a burden. Like जिसको maths पसंद नहीं है, वो कभी maths अच्छा से नहीं कर सकता. Same thing. Budgeting. Most people don't believe in this concept of budgeting, but from what we have understood, that budget plays a very important role. For example, tell you, you plan a budget like, okay, for sales promotion, we'll spend 5 lakh rupees. And you didn't stick to it. In the end, you spent around like 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs of rupees. And what happened in the end? The other departments for which those budget was allocated suffered, and ultimately the business suffered. Pricing of services. You have a very good service. You have a first mover advantage. So we should price at a high amount. Again, second example. You don't have a first mover advantage, but it's a good technology. Then you have to see the competitor's price. So what price the startup should base their products? That's a very important issue these days. Right funding options. There is a private sector lending. There is a public sector lending. There is venture capitals. There are different kinds source. You can raise it from your near and dear ones. Which method to go? We talk about that on those. And lastly, and the most important, the statutory compliances. Very few people in India know this thing, that the government of India has started using big data analytics for taxation and the other statutory compliance. And now you will say, what is big data analytics? This is the same software that is used by developed countries like US, UK, or other European nations for looking after the statutory compliances. That's why you can say ILFS has come out, the Bhushan Steel, the Nirav Modi, all these cases are coming out thick and fast because of this data analytics software that the government is using. Now, how do we come in the picture? We have a very strong team of people from different areas who are providing you with the perfect guidance that your company needs. We do the coordination with financial institutions for you, whether it's bank, whether it's venture capitals, whether it's statutory compliances department, whatever it is, we look after that. Proficiency in financial advisory. How should you make a budget? How should you go about it? Where to invest, which funds? You have idle funds lying. Where you want to invest it? You want to invest it in your business. You want to make just a recurring deposit or a liquid fund. What should you do with the funds that are there in your business? We help you out in that. And lastly, expertise in statutory law. There are different laws that every business has to follow. Income tax, TDS, the big thing, GST. Now there is Udyog Aadhaar registration, etc., etc. There are n number of laws still prevalent in India that we have to follow. Where we come in the picture, we come with all the solutions that the startups need to take care of all these things. And especially, we have partnered with GSB ecosystem so that we can just help all the startups and MSME which are looking to grow, to scale out, and reach the models like Amazon, Byju's, and etc., etc. Before ending, the last thing I would like to add is, we don't know, but there is only one unicorn in India which is still profitable, which has made profit actually, just one unicorn. Any guesses? It is Byju's. Every other unicorn has raised funds, but is running in losses. Do you know Amazon, when Amazon started making profit actually from the startup thing, from the business of online goods and services selling? After 15 years. For 15 years, they were running in losses. And after that, they became profitable, the Amazon that we see today. So I always say, quote Ratan Tata, when I end my speech, like, if you want to go fast, you have to walk alone. But if you want to go far, you have to walk together. We are here with GSB, partnering them to help you all walk the farthest. Thank you.
Thank you so much.